Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating intersection of AI and end-to-end encryption. It's a wild ride, folks. Buckle up.
Ooh, exciting! So, this article talks about how AI is changing the game for privacy, right? I'm already feeling a bit uneasy.
Totally. The core issue is that AI, with its amazing capabilities, needs access to our data. Lots of it. And that clashes head-on with end-to-end encryption, which is designed to keep our stuff private, away from prying eyes, even from the service providers themselves.
Right, so, the classic privacy versus convenience trade-off. But it's not just about convenience, is it? It's about the power of these AI models.
Exactly. Think about it. AI assistants like Apple Intelligence and Google's scam call protection are already integrated into our phones, peeking into our messages. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The article mentions AI agents, basically AI butlers, that manage our entire digital lives. Sounds amazing, but, scary.
Scary is an understatement. To have an AI agent that knows everything about you? That's a huge privacy risk, even if the intentions are good. What about the legal side of things?
The article highlights the ongoing debate in the EU and UK about mandatory content scanning. Governments want to use AI to scan private messages for illegal content, CSAM, hate speech, you name it. It's a slippery slope, isn't it?
Slippery slope is an understatement. That's a direct assault on privacy. How can we even ensure the AI is accurate and doesn't make false accusations?
That's a huge question. The accuracy of these systems is far from perfect. And even if they were, who decides what constitutes illegal content? The potential for abuse and bias is enormous. The article points out that even with end-to-end encryption, if you share your data elsewhere, screenshots, backups, etc., the encryption doesn't protect you.
I see. So the encryption itself is sound, but the human element, our actions, and the intentions of those building and using these AI systems is where the real vulnerability lies.
Precisely. The article suggests that companies like Apple are trying to mitigate this with private cloud compute, using special secure hardware to process data in the cloud. It's a step in the right direction, but it's still centralized and relies on Apple's security being flawless. It's not a perfect solution, but it's better than nothing.
It's a band-aid on a gaping wound, really. The fundamental problem remains. The more powerful AI gets, the more access it needs to our data, and the greater the risk of misuse, whether by governments or corporations. We need to think hard about the ethical implications before this becomes ubiquitous.
Absolutely. The article ends with a chilling question. Who does your AI agent actually work for? Will it be you? Or will governments and corporations have access to its insights into your life? It's a question we all need to grapple with.
It's a terrifying thought. This article really makes you think about the future of privacy in a world increasingly dominated by AI. Thanks for bringing this to our attention.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Remember to stay informed, stay critical, and stay safe in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.